dalawa silang chairman or whatever. But we have to find a solution that yung mga witnesses ay makakapunta ng malaya na protektado ng batas at independent yung Senate. Having said that, mahaba panahon, as I said kanina, let's focus on Mindanao and on the relief and rehabilitation, especially kung may mga lives that are at stake now because dun sa mga buildings, I don't think all of us fully know the extent. So far, nakikita lang natin yung mga videos. No? So hanggang dun lang muna, we will continue with our meetings. We will focus muna on Mindanao. I am not sure when the next hearing ng Blue Ribbon led by the subcommittee by Senator Marcoleta is. I'm expecting to know soon, but definitely knowing what's happening in Mindanao will have an impact on our decision kasi priority lang.
Okay, questions from Janice Cosio, Tajing Primary.
Sir,
Good afternoon po.
dalawa lang sir, yung comment nyo sa resign call sa inyo, and sabi po ng Malacanang kanina,